everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston Grady White Boats. Today I wanted to tell you about my top 5 favorite things to do while I'm out on a Grady White, and especially a Freedom 275. First thing, of course, is fishing. This boat is first and foremost built for fishing. We got rod holders everywhere, got them in the hard tops right here. Of course, a live well built in, and a fish box right here. There's also one in the front as well. Sarah, would you like me to open it? Fish box right there. Nice light blue live well with a light in there, curved edges so it doesn't hurt your bait, and the bait's constantly moving. My next favorite feature on this boat is water sports. So we like to option this boat, and a lot of our boats with the ski tow option. This folds down out of the way if you're not using it, but when you are using it, you can connect this a rope right here for skis, tubing, wakeboarding, wake skating, anything that you can think of that's behind the boat and needs to get pulled other than surfing. Of course, this boat's powered with twin 200, so there's plenty of power to get this boat up on plane and pull whoever you have behind the boat. Next option is cruising. The next option on this boat is cruising. You may have heard me say it before. I'll never stop saying it. One of my favorite rides is on any Grady White boat, pretty much. But the way the hull is designed, it can pretty much handle anything you throw at it, and it's always going to be a comfortable and dry ride. Cruising. Are we still on cruising? There's plenty of room in the boat to relax while you're underway, which brings up my fourth thing. It's relaxing. There's so many places on this boat to sit and just enjoy your time out on the water. This is an electric seat that extends all the way, practically making this an L bench sheet right here. Up in the front of the boat, you guys may have seen there's a filler cushion in the bow, so it gives you a nice huge playpen area. Definitely a comfortable place to be sitting. So the last thing about this boat is the entertaining. It kind of goes in hand with the cruising and the relaxing, but you have places to store all your items in the boat. You have a restroom in there if anyone needs to get out of the sun and use the restroom. You don't have to stop what you're doing out on the water. All your amenities are on board this boat. You can use that front cooler to keep your ice and your drinks and all that stuff on ice, that is. You can use your back cooler to do that as well if you're not fishing that day, or you just need a separate area to put it. Besides that, you can congregate with your friends, spend a great time out on the water, have lunch, have dinner, cruise to lunch, cruise to dinner, whatever you want. You're going to really enjoy that here on this Grady White 275. My name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. It was great talking to y'all.